8 kes baru jangkitan COVID-19 telah disahkan hari ini di negara Brunei Darussalam.
The control measures reinforced for 2 weeks are as follows. Gatherings are limited to 30 people only. Mosques, religious halls, surau and other worship venues are closed. Schools, other educational institutions, tuition classes, music classes as well as special needs classes will start an online learning system. Restaurants and other food premises, including stalls, are only allowed to sell takeaway food or delivery only. Dining in is not allowed. Gyms, fitness centers, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, leisure centers, cinemas, internet cafes, children's playgrounds, driving schools, museums, libraries, galleries, beauty salons and barbershops are closed. Companies and offices are to implement their respective business continuity plans, which includes considering work-from-home methods, with only essential workers allowed to work in the office. Other premises, including markets, stalls, supermarkets, retail business premises and daily necessities are allowed to operate by implementing physical distancing measures. Public gatherings are postponed. Meanwhile, in addressing concerns on the spread of the Delta variant globally, including Brunei Darussalam, the Ministry of Health informs the public on the changes in the guidelines for the use of face masks as follows. Face masks should be worn at all times, especially when inside the building or in crowded places, either inside or outside the building. Face masks should cover the wearer's nose and mouth. The directive of wearing face masks applies to all individuals, regardless of their vaccination status.
Yang Berhormat explained that gatherings are not allowed. However, exceptions will be given as follows. Gatherings of up to 15 people for burial management of non-COVID-19 related deaths, gatherings of up to 5 people for weddings. Only 2 family members are allowed at one time to visit the elderly who live in different households. Individual recreational activities such as jogging and hiking are allowed without the need for face masks. However, group recreational activities are only allowed for 2 people living under the same household. All government and private sector offices and staff are required to work from home. Only essential workers are allowed, such as frontliners from the health, security, hotel and transport sectors, daily essential sector, namely food and retail, service and utility services such as electricity, water and telecommunications, those working at Brunei Darussalam's border and control posts, oil and gas and downstream sector, construction sector and agri-food and forestry sector. The Minister of Health added going out without valid reason is not allowed. Only 2 persons from one family are allowed to buy essential. News.